This brand name is licensed to XLS products and the units are made in China. They can be purchased online through their website or on Amazon, but their guarantee is minimal when compared to other brands. All of their units use single-hose technology, which means conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. They use self-evaporating technology, which minimizes the need to dump a condensate bucket, but they only use a basic washable filter, which does not do much to improve the room's air quality. All of their units use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32. The HvacBWC models are for cooling only and are available in 3 sizes from 5500 to 8000 BTU, while the HvacR13HBWC is for heating as well as cooling with a 8000 BTU capacity. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.